Thangmaiban MLA Khumcham Joy Kisan demands assembly session to discuss on drafted ILP rules and regulations before its official gazette notification. NSDO Wangoi served notice to stop illegal constructions on PD lands, gives 7 days to submit relevant documents. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto Talk Chong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Thangmaiban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kisan drew the attention of the state government today to call an assembly session to give a chance to the opposition parties to discuss on the draft rules and regulations of the inner line permit system before its official gazette notification in January next year. Speaking to media at his residence in Khoyathong today, MLA Khumukcham Joy Kisan said people in the state are still apprehensive that Citizenship Amendment Act might supersede the inner line permit regime. He also criticized that the state government kept ignoring the demands of various associations, including the JCILPS, to make 1951 as base year for the implementation of the ILP system. He said there is huge confusion as to which outsider will be allowed entry or denied in the wake of conflicting statements about National Population Registrar update, which even qualifies a person to be registered if he or she has settled for more than 6 months, and the provision for any Indian citizens residing in rental homes to enlist themselves in the voter list provided they have residential certificate issued by the landlords. He demanded to know which outsider will be granted ILP in the state.
ILP chatpa state amada state tugi mapanda laaga voter list sanba yabra haibase masi yamna mayak sengnaba Bharat Sarkarna apaba thabak ama torokpada koi harawi aduba apaba thabak torokpani haina piraiba potduna mamingtagi oina chatlaga ki Manipur da lakpa mi khudimak sigi chi ama khaktang darkar leiba random da changaiba mi khudimak da pangpi da piba aduga makhoi da restriction ama thamdragadi mising yamjadaba yelong musing mutkhidrai na pankaliba se masna ngaklo piba ngamgani haibisiti thajati sarkar nasu miyam gi hena phana khanna ba thabak tobiramgani aduna Manipur habi state sidasu koi democracy gi mahau tu phangli opposition gi su wa phongdok pangambagi tanja adu pibiri haibase Manipur lenga asina utpatna chapchana chungani.
MLA Khumukcham Joy Kisan warned that the state government's proposed rally under the DeSantis instruction on December 29, hailing the Citizenship Amendment Act, will be an open invitation for turmoil in the state. He condemned the government's agenda to campaign in support of CAA after extension of inner line permit system in the state. MLA Joy Kisan stated that many people in the state, including Manpek, are still against the controversial act and that the rally will infuriate the public even more. He urged the government not to organize any rally supporting the act, but to organize a rally on the theme of curbing financial crises facing the state if it has to organize one at all.
Manipur da su effect tawro su hairaba impact le su hairagamu support tawni na khongchat chatoi sina takpadi se Manipur da impact laktori brasini aina hangjeningi yaragadi laingak sina leiriba khongche tolaga praja se tangdu leitana lehenmana phagani irang pamisi Manipur prajara government live se nenaningai oire ingna leiriba singdu da provoke tawlaga show string na satna banadi kana roi Numitureda Tolakadori Singdu, Minister MLA Kibadagi Miam, the Hoya Tolakadori Marasu Angak Pamani, Karamba Grounda, Karimta Suchanaro and the Sarkana Hajan and Hairaba. She is an arrow the Lambromsa Kari Chapurki Chatori Gaba.
Wangoi SDO Yumnam Nelson issued stop work order against ongoing construction on agricultural lands from Hyangthang till Wangoi this morning. The SDO notified those concerned to submit relevant documents within 7 days, failing which he warned of taking legal actions against them. Speaking to media, Yumnam Nelson said that construction of new buildings or any structures on PD lands is banned under the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014. He urged those who have constructed residential buildings on agricultural lands after 2014 to pay necessary taxes under the Act. He also appealed to the public to consult the relevant authorities before constructing any structures on the cultivable lands.
Impal West DC instruction maka itareko ahoigi Manipur Conservation of Paddyland Wetland Act 2014 sigi lakpadagi violate tawba itareko agricultural land tas hasanba structure mayam se sei notice serve taroga seize tawba amasung confiscate tawba aruna hasi notice tharani ko moi reason piro moi ainamta moi se moi violate tawba si moi stop tawdo no na thaba de stop tahonba aduga sigi sariba kano se construction se khoigi mayam gi khoi public ki awareness oina bak tamta aware oina ba khoigi itareko gi hana ayaba permission lobri raga khoigi anba tawbiraga aduga on view haizani khoi low si mangdana ba haitare khoi cultural land si sum khoi mangsale aduna si mangdana ba public na su si hana conversion si hana niom chumna tawbiraga haidi due process tawraga tawina ba aina appeal tawzagi.
JAC against the sifting of Laushangkong Bridge has warned against sifting of the bridge and demanded the government to construct an RCC bridge at Laushangkong in Lamlai constituency at the earliest. Speaking to media at an undisclosed area in Imphal today, JAC co-convener Koishnam Sanjoy said that foundation stone of the RCC bridge was laid at Laushangkong by Manipur State Rural Road Development Agency following a work order issued by the Ministry of Rural Development Government of India on May 6 this year. He said that the foundation laying ceremony was even attended by Executive Engineer of Imphal East MSRRDA. Sanjoy expressed disappointment that the construction of the bridge, which was supposed to be completed by 2020, has not even started yet. He said that the relevant ministry has been apprised about the matter and that the MSRRDA chief engineer had even assured to start the construction of the bridge. Sanjoy condemned that despite all the assurances, side of the RCC bridge was sifted at Sekta in Lamlai constituency, and even the local MLA has laid foundation stone for the bridge.
JAC against the shifting of Laushangkong Bridge na thong asi atopa mafam da hongani haibagi pauju khangnar padagi haiba mipai basi laibang loinana department na Manipur State Rural Development Agency na haiba thong asi athuba matamda Laushangkong khungangda magi sabam thokpa wa order thokiba mafam asida sabina bagi damakta JAC gi maikai dagi nolukna thamjari haiba thong asi sadragadi Kungang amadi kungol mayona badalay riba sing apunbo oina makal makhakyagi station torakani haiduna JAC maikidigi pungdokchari.
Manipur People's Party MPP held its 52 Foundation Day celebration at the party office near Imphal Polo Ground today. Party advisors L. Krishnadas, P. Achobi, M. Amutombi, President O. Jugindro, Vice Presidents Dr. S. Ibomcha and S. Brazen attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, MPP President O. Jugindro said MPP, which is a regional political party of the state, has been taking up various welfare activities. He assured that the party will continue to play an active role in solving various issues facing the state to bring welfare.
Manipur Bharat ki citizen amoina phangum thokpa right sing do madu chap chana phangani habigi inaki ba siol sing do madu chap chana khoi phangna ba Manipur ki boundary na legini haiba Manipur party ki article number 2 gi clause number 1 2 3 4 da iba Manipur ki territorial integrity niti sina ngak na thangani haiba sima mayam asi khoi ngak na thamno ki damakta madu ki damakta asi sahi Yankini to Shuba, Asi Pangtoiba, Asina, Nipom Moriga, Makatana, Akoi, Manipur Labor, Koya, Primona, Manipur Party Municipal, Luna, Akoi, Asi, Akona Pangtoiba, Smite on a Sai Clean, Pangtopa, Mambo is again.
Imphal district held World AIDS Day observance today. District AIDS Prevention and Control Unit in collaboration with Vihan National Coalition of People Living with HIV in India, NCPI Plus and AHANA Prasek under the supervision of Imphal Deputy Commissioner organized the event at VIHAAN office in New Chekon. Imphal DC Dr. Rangita Bali Vaikom presented food items and other essentials as winter gifts to women and children living with HIV/AIDS at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Imphal East District AIDS Control Officer Dr. Romila said that the observance was held for Imphal East District as part of the World AIDS Day, which falls on December 1 to provide necessary assistance to people living with HIV/AIDS. He assured that Imphal East District AIDS Control Office, in association with the district administration, will further provide such assistance.
Miron bi mama sing amadi akoigi chajen bi mama sing khallaganda koina moigi ningtham thagi sisinana ba akoigi blanket amamamga akoigi angang singi thaknana ba sangom kharaga toraga koina yenthoksaraganda yamna chamna akoigi sa amamam thakminaraganda akoi sinjaba program ni World AIDS Day mamangai dadi akoi phajana stage semdana akoigi banner thetana degi rally chattana mayam ama tawjabane ado handak kisidi yamna tongan ba akoigi deputy commissioner Imphal East akoigi Dr. Rangita Bali Waikom mingona panjarawada mahaki directive makhada akoina sigi differently akoi pangthoksaban.
Khangabok MLA Okram Surya Kumar inaugurated a newly constructed office and a community hall of Educational Gym Club EGC at Wangbal Part 2 in Khangabok constituency, Thawal district today. Speaking at the event, MLA Okram Surya Kumar said that many playgrounds of the constituency have been renovated as part of developmental activities undertaken for the constituency. He also assured to ensure adequate water supply in the constituency. Many people of the area took part in the event. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the center's plan to convert 75 hospitals into medical colleges. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Afternoon News. Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan has said the center is planning to convert 75 hospitals in aspirational districts across the country into medical colleges in a phased manner. He said a target has been set to convert 49 hospitals, including 6 in Odisha, into medical colleges within the next 5 years. Speaking on the sidelines of the function at AIMS in Bhubaneswar, the Union Health Minister said Centre has included 10 districts of Orissa in the list of aspirational districts, stating that the centre has planned to set up 1,50,000 health and wellness centres across the country under the Ayushman Bharat scheme. Dr. Vardhan said that 25,000 such units have already been established. Now the sports news. YWC Langthabal and ICSA Rengbam resulted in a goalless draw in the 23rd League match of the Under-17 Khelo India Women's League at Imphal Polo Ground this morning. While in the 24th League match, AMMA Andro defeated WFA Kakching by 1-0. The lone goal for the winning team was scored by KH Bilasini at the 68th minutes of the match. 8 women teams from various parts of Manipur are participating in the Under-17 Khelo India Women's League, jointly organized by YAS Department, Manipur and All Manipur Football Association. PLL Chuchanpur will lock horns with ICSA Rengbam in the 25th League match, and Kripsa Narimthong will play against ESU Palace Compound in the 26th League match on December 28th. The 37th State Arm Wrestling Championship will be held on December 28 and 29. Manipur Arm Wrestling Association will organize the championship at the Community Hall of Hairanggoithong Makha Maibam Laikai. Speaking to media at AMSA conference held in Imphal Polo Ground today, President of the association, established in 1981, Dr. L. Sarat condemned that another association with the same name has emerged and it is causing confusion to arm wrestlers of Manipur. He urged the authorities concerned to take actions against the Novice Association. Executive member of Manipur Arm Wrestling Association, K. Sarat Chandra, also took part in the press meet.
Manipur Arm Wrestling Association hai ba tungan ba ama thol aga tournament tawni maji championship tawni and hai dana hai ba ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯅꯪ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯩ ꯈꯕꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯇꯣꯝꯕ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯀꯧꯕꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯈꯕꯔꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯄꯟꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯇꯣꯛ ꯇꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯅꯥꯀꯜ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯣꯔꯅꯥꯃꯦꯟ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ 53 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯥꯔꯝ ꯔꯦꯁꯂꯤꯡ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯇꯥꯡ 19 18 ꯇꯧꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ.
Chennai FC will meet Goa FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Chennai's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium tonight at 7:30. In yesterday's league match played at Kolkata's Salt Lake Stadium, ATK beat Bengaluru 1-0. The lone winning goal was netted by David Williams at the 47 minutes of the match. Real Kashmir defeated Chennai City by 2-1 in a league match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Srinagar's TRC turf ground this afternoon. For the winners, Danis Farooq Bhatt and Bezi Ahmad netted one goal each at the 22nd and 27 minutes of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Syed Suhai Pasha at the 48th minute. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Thangmaiban MLA Khumuktam Joy Kisan demands assembly session to discuss on drafted ILP rules and regulations before its official gazette notification. NSDO Wangoi served notice to stop illegal construction on PD lands, gave 7 days to submit relevant documents.